Where did you get a banana?
Here, take this banana.
Oh. And a coconut?
Here, take this coconut.
Alright, let's see how I eat this. No! We should buy provisions and food and clothes.
Yeah, you're right.
Ooh, let's find dresses. No. Alright, I guess we gotta go on more adventures.
Do
Yeah,
call
we
in
need more
again
money.
soon.
Let's see what you got. Equipment, eh? Shovel.
This guy's got a dog.
Tin trumpet. Wait, where? Whoa. Oh, hello.
It's got like armor.
Need something rare? I've got it for a price. In fact, I'm going to bill you for this conversation. How dare you?
There's a skeleton in here. We have to increase our emissary grade. Here's something.
Whoa.
Now. I guess we gotta do more of those missions then. Like,
Okay, but I want foods. Okay, let's go get some more stuff. Whoa, is that supposed to be there?
there's barrels here. Ooh, freaky dusty.
What? Oh.
That's what it says. Maybe that's inspect. Freaky Dusty's personal banana barrel. Always packed with yellow ambrosia. They become famous for hoarding their bananas like gold. I have a cannonball that makes people drunk.
Nice. What?
Yeah, I was just wondering if I can hit that. Our ship is filling up with water. This is not good. Must be a leak somewhere. How do we know what to repair? Do I just bring out wood and then start?
Well, I don't see any holes or anything. Yeah, I couldn't find anything, and it's not leaking now. I think we gotta go back to the same island.
Really? Alright, hold on.
I think so.
Oh, it's the same island, but a different
Yeah.
spot.
Yeah.
Alright, sure.
I fell off the ship. Hold on.
Oh yeah, southwest. Alright, we're going. Bye.
No, wait. I think there's a way to, like, change, the direction of the sails, too. What?
That was me. Gotta make sure to climb down.
Yeah, I fell. Oh!
Go down. I wonder if we can get a kitchen right in our boat.
We do. We have some place that you can cook things. I think it's gonna explode. Oh, okay.
Pick up disgraced bounty skull. Alright. Whoa, this thing looks cool.
What's this?
Look.
Huh? Oh, interesting.
Actually, what does that mean? Does that mean people are gonna come looking for us? I don't want that. If it's a bounty?
I found it.
Nice. I'm wondering if it's for the other quests. We'll just pick them up and put them on the boat.
That's fine.
Because it could be that we don't have to come back here again.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I hear voices.
That's this thing. The disgraced bounty skull. We're hoarders.
Yay. Well, I mean, we got a ship. You might as well use it.
True. Alright, there's the next quest. I just voted for it.
Big Shoehorn Island.
This one looks like a foot. Oh, are there markers on the wheel?
Oh, is there?
I see one that looks different than the others.
I put
This
a
one's
circle.
Well, I mean to say on the actual wheel itself, that the one that you turn.
Uh-huh.
See how this one's like metal?
Oh, I think that's like the top of it. That's going straight.
That's just the top. Going straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is there music playing? Oh, this is hard. It's not hard. It's just there's a lot. So almost. I'm gonna drop it. Now.
It like pulls me into the island, I think.
Interesting.
I'm gonna try
And
fishing.
we're gonna be in the mid. Oh yeah, that's actually a good idea. Yeah, I was gonna say, do you have bait?
No, but let me go grab some. I just ate leeches.
Oh no!
How do I use it with...
I just ate. Ew, you're still chewing.
Have you got anything?
No.
Alright, I give up on that.
It's just. It's only been like 2 seconds. I found it. Did you search these barrels already? Oh, yep. Oh, wait.
Yeah, I ended up... Well, not those, maybe. But I found this thing. It's like a storage crate. See this?
Hmm.
And you could put stuff in it. And then we could just carry it all together in there. So I just put everything in there.
Nice. What's that sound?
Cannonballs.
What?
That's that... the item I picked up,
Oh,
that mask.
right. Not this. Rum Runner Island? Rum Runner Isle.
Okay.
Which is south east of us.
We have 29 bananas. What was that sound?
Sounds like cannonballs.
Oh yeah, I see them being fired over there.
Which direction?
Over southeast? South?
That's the way we have to go.
Maybe we should go return our quests so we get our stuff and we don't
Okay.
sink. Which way should I turn?
Complete 180. You're gonna need to go back northeast. Northwest, sorry. Northwest.
You just slid down.
Yeah. I guess I did it too late.
That's okay.
Why is it not stopping?
Maybe because of the sail.
Every time.
That's okay, that's how we got planks.
A lot of them.
Oh, I see another hole here.
Oh, where?
It's like over here in this corner.
Oh. Oh, over here too.
Well, it's not filling up with water, right?
I jumped out. I'm not sure. Hold
No, I don't think so. So I think we're fine.
on. Okay.
Yeah, I think we plugged all the leaks.
Damn it to hell. Alright, so you bring one treasure and I'll bring the other?
Yeah, sure. Can I sell that thing that we had? That mask thing?
I don't know what it was for.
Oh, yeah, I can.
Nice.
Give me 368. Wow.
Nice.
Did you get that money too?
I did.
No. I don't know what to do with this. Oh, I could sell it to this person here.
Who is it?
Madam Olive.
Oh.
266.
Nice, nice, nice. Damn it. Okay, gotcha. Whoa. I thought it was like fireworks. It's lightning. I hear stuff.
What do you mean?
I heard. Oh, Lord. That almost hit you.
Nah.
No, like it was right on you.
Piggies.
No, so. What are you doing? Don't run into the ocean. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I should have. Alright. Let me go grab it.
Is this it? I just picked up a treasure chest that was not buried. What do you do? What are you doing? What did you just do?
Nothing. I'm gonna go back to the ship.
That is some loud ass thunder. What the
That's
hell?
sparked by lightning.
Again? Are you serious?
Do you have? Oh, it's because you have your sword out, maybe.
What the fuck? How is this happening? There is water on the bottom of our ship, but I think it's because it's just raining.
Oh, you know, I didn't think of that.
Pig! Pork chop!
I don't know where this came from. Oh wait, we need the
You need the treasure. I got it.
whatever else. Wasn't there another one too?
I don't think so. I think it was just the one. We had an ammo box. I have it though.
Oh, that's what it was. Okay.
Greetings, Gold Hunter.
What?
Return with riches.
Is this not it?
It's the tent.
Yeah, but
Or do I have to do it?
maybe this isn't the right treasure?
Oh. Maybe we were supposed to dig and we didn't dig.
Oh my god. I saw a treasure on the thing and I was like, "Oh, maybe that's it." I think this is just an actual just regular treasure. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Probably have to go back.
Wait,
Let me-
open
let
it.
me go-
Or should we open it on our ship?
That's just gold.
Oh.
And I could pick up this mysterious vessel. We got 78 from that. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna go see who will buy it.
Okay. But I'm down to call it a night after this.
I sold it to the guy, the gold hoarder. He gave us 101.
Okay.